Finally, the big day has arrived. Having enjoyed a break after the wrap-up of Kabir Khan's Tubelight, Salman Khan had been busy in the pre-production work of Tiger Zinda Hai, which is a sequel to the spy thriller Ek Tha Tiger, and now finally filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has announced that the shooting would commence tomorrow, the 4th of March. Film is indeed special as it marks the reunion of ex-flames Salman and Katrina, and it will be great to see their wonderful chemistry unleashed on screen. The film also boasts of some exotic locales and high-octane action sequences and will have Salu and Kat in a never-before avatar. While we bring more updates from the happenings on the sets, let us know if you believe Tiger Zinda Hai will surpass the success of Ek Tha Tiger. Fans of the Dabangg franchise are in for a shock as the latest offering, Dabangg 3, has been postponed once more. News of the film seeing the light of the day in 2018 have gone kaput as Salman has chosen to work on Remo D'Souza's upcoming dance-based film, which will release Eid 2018. Salman will have some amazing dance moves as he plays a professional dancer in the film. Eid releases have become the unspoken roost for Salman Khan, and the industry stays away from releasing any film, thus giving the Sultan an undisputed run at the box office. Earlier, there were rumors that SRK's Rais would clash with Salman Sultan, but it seems that the former backed out gracefully. With Tubelight and Remo's untitled venture blocking dates for Eid in 2017 and 18, we wonder what's the future of Dabangg 3. So, has this news excited you or left you disappointed? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
भैया ये कल का इंसिडेंट पहले तो ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सेट पे था ही नहीं। मेरा बैकअप 1 घंटे पहले हुआ था और मैं यहाँ वापस होटल में आ गया था जब ये हुआ। और ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ, अगर मैं वहाँ होता तो शायद ये इंसिडेंट ही नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये प्यार का मामला है। मैं प्यार से हैंडल करता हूँ, और अगर आपको भी गुस्सा आ रहा तो जादू की झप्पी आपको भी दे देता हूँ। लेकिन आगरा ने और आगरा के लोगों ने हमको, हमारी यूनिट को बहुत बहुत प्यार दिया है, और जहाँ पे भी यूपी में जाएंगे हमें प्यार मिलता है, हमारी इंडस्ट्री को बहुत प्यार मिलता है, और हमारे फिल्मों के जरिए एक सिटी या एक स्टेट का प्रमोशन भी बहुत तगड़ा होता है। तो इसके लिए हम आप सबका सपोर्ट चाहते हैं। कल मैंने प्रेस वालों से भी बात की, यहाँ है भाई साहब सब यहाँ, और मैंने उनको यही समझाया कि अगर ऐसा हादसा हुआ है तो मैं उन लोगों की तरफ से मैं माफी मांगता हूँ। तो माफी भी मांगी, इनका सपोर्ट भी मिल गया, आप भी सपोर्ट करो।
आप सही कह रहे हैं अर्जुन, अंदर चल के बात कर लो भैया। अच्छे हो, मैं बता बहुत अच्छे। आप सही कह रहे हैं अर्जुन, अंदर चल के बात कर लो भैया। अच्छे हो, मैं बता बहुत अच्छे।
Bajrangi Bhaijaan has won the heart of millions of kids, and as he religiously took care of Munni on screen, the Mamu Jaan is loving in real life too. The Dabangg Khan's heart simply melts at the sight of Ahil, the son of his sister Arpita Khan and Ayush Sharma. Ahil's presence is enough to cheer Salman, and he is often seen tagging along with Mamu Jaan on the sets of Bigg Boss and Tubelight as well. After the grueling schedule of Tubelight came to an end, Salman chose to spend some happy times with his dear angel, and Ahil seemed to be delighted at being the center of attraction for Salman, whom he has grown to love and adore. As the cherubic munchkin turns a year older this month, let us know if this adorable picture of the Mama Bhanja Jodi melts your heart.
Superstar Salman Khan's appeal spans the urban populace and also reaches the rural India. But it is not only because of his acting talent. The Dabangg Khan has made his mark by working closely with the Being Human Foundation and has come forward to help villages in Maharashtra. In the wake of a drought, the Being Human Foundation provided water tankers to Marathwada. The Beed district too benefited from the Sultan and his foundation's benevolence. The organization has adopted 200 villages in Maharashtra, and Salu has indeed become a big name in these areas. While the name and fame is definitely justified, let us know if this gesture has touched your heart by commenting in the section below.
Bollywood has gracefully given a platform to many artists worldwide, and Pakistani artists are no exception to this. While they do come to India and earn fame from P-Town, they seldom shy from mocking Indian artists. Footages of stars like Mahira Khan and Sabaa Qamar have been circulating on the web, where they are seen taking a dig at some of the big wigs of the industry. The newest addition to this list is singer-actress Rabi Pirzana. The artist has teamed up with Vicky to revive the dying Pakistani film industry by announcing a new film having Pakistani core values well in place. Rabi didn't battle an eyelid before taking a dig at Salman Khan and the industry by stating, "Every other film released in Bollywood happens to be about crime or some criminal activities, especially films of Salman Khan. My question is, what are Indian filmmakers teaching the youth?" Salman Khan was seen training for an upcoming dance film with Remo. Yes, the Sultan of Bollywood would be releasing his Tubelight very soon, and also the sequel to Ek Tha Tiger in the form of Tiger Zinda Hai. However, he is also getting ready for his upcoming dance film, which we had once reported may be called Dancer Dad, and it is about Salman and a 13-year-old, and Salman will be playing father to the small kid. We do know Salman loves small children and how we shot to fame with Munni in Bajrangi Bhaijaan and would be seen in Tubelight with Tangu, and obviously this 13-year-old is gonna hog all the limelight in the upcoming film thanks to Salman. We have seen how Salman built his body for Sultan, and now we would see him build his body for this dance film. How do you like watching Bhai in this flick? Do let us know. Maker Imtiaz Ali seems quite impressed with the Badshah Shah Rukh Khan, with whom he is working on his upcoming venture. The actor-director duo share strong ties with theatres and hence have intense conversations about Delhi theatre. Imtiaz also revealed that SRK's approach is very theatrical and said, "Every day he talks about his theatre experience in Delhi, and I am very glad about it." Imtiaz, who himself has a theatrical background, is glad to be a part of the Colors Khirkiyan Theatre Festival 2017 and quipped, "I am really happy that there is a festival which is a confluence of theatre and films. I would like to encourage all the people who are aspiring actors or filmmakers to indulge themselves in theatre, as it gives certain attributes and certain strengths that will always be beneficial in both theatre and films and in life in general." While the two bond over theatre and films, we are sure that their venture will be one hell of a thrilling and exciting film. What do you think? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
The Bajrangi Bhaijaan star Salman Khan is a real Bhaijaan in real life too. Having gone too many lengths to protect Munni in real life, the real life hero makes it a point to do his bit for the society. Despite his pressing schedule, the Sultan does make it a point to be actively involved in his Being Human charitable activities. Not only charity, the Sultan also believes in spreading love and joy. Recently, the Dabangg Khan was spotted spending time with special kids who were totally in awe of his stardom. But the down-to-earth Salman made them feel at ease with his antics and brought a smile to their faces. Here, we see how Salman indulges in a mock arm wrestling match with a child dressed in red. The kid seems proud to hold his fort against the star. Doesn't this picture melt your heart? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
It was a Black Wednesday for Sunil Shetty as he lost his father Veerappa Shetty. The entire industry expressed their solidarity and paid homage to the deceased soul. P. Amitabh Bachchan along with Junior Bachchan, Abhishek and Jackie Shroff in tow was seen arriving at the crematorium. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan too came to pay his condolences. Suraj Pancholi, who shares a close bond with the Shetty family, was seen standing like a pillar of strength. Others present included Sonu Sood, Arman Kohli and others. After the funeral, an emotionally distraught Sunil and his wife Mana, along with son Ahan, thanked and acknowledged all the well-wishers who were present in this hour of need. While we too offer our homage to the deceased, share your grief in the comments section. B-Town seems to be struggling with the issue of leaked scenes before the release of a film. It was quite a shocker when Shahid Kapoor's Udta Punjab was available on the web 2 days prior to release. As the industry battles with the issue of piracy, another film, Anarkali of Ara, has fallen prey to the vile intentions of perpetrators of crime. The film, which is based on the life of an erotic singer from Ara, has Swara Bhaskar playing the role of Anarkali, and she had some bold scenes in the film which were later deleted from the final cut. However, a couple of erotic and backless scenes from the film have been circulating on the web, much to the chagrin of the makers. The film, which is all set to release on 24th March, had religiously adhered to 3 cuts on the instruction of the CBFC. But this blatant and brutal violation is indeed shocking and sad, isn't it? Express your views about piracy and breach of human trust by commenting in the section below. Karan Johar's next venture will bring together Jacqueline Fernandez and Sushant Singh Rajput, and it will be made under the able directorship of Tarun Mansukhani. It seems that Kejo is planning a really interesting franchise, and he has shared his excitement by tweeting, "The franchise fun begins. Drive directed by Tarun Mansukhani, starring It's SSR and Asli Jacqueline starts today." The able filmmaker too took to Twitter to announce 7 years 345 days later, I'm back on set. While the details of the project are being kept under wraps for the moment, it is likely to be an action series. Going by Kejo's announcement that it would be the first film of a franchise and the name Drive, are we soon going to get a Desi version of Fast and Furious? Let us know if you too feel the same by commenting in the section below. Shah Rukh Khan has asked Salman Khan to do a cameo in his films. So is this related to the not-so-good movies that Shah Rukh has been facing these days? Well, we never know if Salman is really gonna do a cameo, but yes, we fans would surely love it. Word has it that when Salman was shooting the last bit of his upcoming Tube Light, Shah Rukh had contributed personally to make it look good. We have told you already that SRK would be doing a cameo in Tube Light, and we would be seeing the two together. However, Shah Rukh may have felt the pulse and thus has asked Salman to return his favor. We guess King Khan would surely love to have the Bhai quotient in his flick, as Salman is the King Midas of entertainment. वो जो छूता है हिट हो जाता है. So Shah Rukh too is vying for the 300 crore plus box office field. What say? Meanwhile, do let us know if you feel SRK is wanting Salman in the flick for popularity or because they have great bonding.
करीना, आप मानते हैं कि इन दिनों सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म काफ़ी डेंजरस हो गया है, खास करके सिलेब्स के लिए, या फिर कोई ओपिनियन रखना हो तो भी मतलब लोग ट्रॉल्स करना शुरू कर देते, तो आप मानते हैं कि काफ़ी डेंजरस है सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म?
Well, I'm not on social media, and मुझे definitely I definitely feel that. इसलिए I think I'm one of the few actors that are not on Instagram or Twitter. क्योंकि definitely I think that life is beautiful. इतनी खूबसूरती है दुनिया में, और हर चीज़ पे ओपिनियन देना, I think that I'm not somebody like that. I don't like to give my opinion. So I rather watch Sony BBC Earth, put my feet up and watch a nice show and some good content than, troll somebody on Twitter or Instagram.